Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can get more mileage out of your yarn. And I'm also going to show you a new variation on a stitch. So I'm just going to chain a few stitches here to get started. And what I'm going to show you is how to make an extended double crochet stitch, and that means that it will be longer than a usual double crochet. It's pretty much the same as a triple crochet. And usually I start in the third stitch from the hook to make a double crochet, but if I'm going to make an extended double crochet, I'm going to start in the fourth stitch because it's going to be a taller stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull my yarn through the same as if I was making a double crochet. But instead of pulling through these first two loops, I'm only going to pull the yarn through that very first stitch, and then I'm going to complete my double crochet the same as I normally would. But now this is almost like a triple crochet, so I'll show you that again. You're going to insert and pull the yarn through, and then you're just going to pull the yarn through that very first stitch and then complete the double crochet like that. And I have two samples here, and I used 3 yards to make both of these, and I have almost the same amount left after using the 3 yards. And I have this row of regular double crochet, and I have this row of the extended double crochet. So you can see that you've already got about a ½ inch more of work completed with the same amount of yarn. So if you were making a shawl and you want to get a longer length without additional yarn, the extended double crochet would be a great stitch to use for that. Or if you were making a blanket, anything that's fairly straight. If you're making a hat, you could do this as well. You would probably need 1 or 2 less rows to complete the hat. If you were making a fitted garment though, this is going to alter the way the garment would fit. So this is really only good for making straight pieces such as scarves or afghans, or maybe hats if you know how to adjust for the length. So there you go. There's another quick tip for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and find this useful about how to make the extended double crochet stitch in crochet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.